We're gonna go off the cuff a little bit. I just wanna say before we get started, I wanna live in a world where every single person diagnosed with cancer is given metabolic therapy that Dr. Seyfried talks about as an option. It should at least be a tool in the toolbox.
24 hours, you get about 70 people an hour are dying from cancer. And the increase is relentless.
My doctor said I will be diabetic for the rest of my life. And I said, au contraire.
I said, we only eat meat. And she said, wow, that's amazing. And I said, what's more amazing is I healed nearly 100% of my symptoms of MS from only eating meat.
Who's here is a fan of Bill Nott? Can we do we love you, Bill Nott? We love you, Bill.
Because we love sugar.
Heroin.
We love it. It's a powerful drug.
I had lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, addiction, severe depression, anxiety, everything, and everything's gone. I was on like 20 meds and I'm off everything. Everything.
I tried to figure out how broken is your mitochondria. It was that blood sugar that really was my first tipping point, and something you could check, you could understand.
What did we hunt and eat? Meat.
I found carnivore through trying to help my cousin through esophageal cancer.
The slower the tumor grows. And when the blood sugar is down, you get reduced inflammation, reduced abnormal vascularization, and you start killing tumor cells.
He sent me a homesteader from Wisconsin who smokes meat, raises goats, chickens, and triplets plus one.
I still think he's crazy, but...
Why are we all here in Boston? Simple. To heal our brothers and sisters one bright light at a time.
I'm healing every step by step. And, you know, this is just, I'm so grateful to everybody in here.
Oh, this is gonna be the tough one. Anybody familiar with Jeff DeProsperous? Jeff is another one of my brothers. Jeff was diagnosed with stage 4 terminal cancer. They told him you're inoperable, incurable, palliative, and they gave him a death sentence. They said you have 3 months left to live. And thank God that Jeff found Professor Seyfried. And if Jeff were here right now, he would thank Professor Seyfried for another day, for another month, for 2.5 years. Jeff thrived with his family, and Jeff credited that to metabolic therapy, to eating a proper human diet, fasting, and exercising. Jeff is absolutely incredible and one of the most important stories in our documentary.
Tell everybody that this is the way you're eating, that this is the way you're living, and this is how we are all supposed to live. Because when we use our collective carnivore voice, there is no stopping us. And we will heal humanity.
My name is Carrie. I'm filming a documentary called Healing Humanity. And if you want to see more stories like the story you're watching right now, please help us out. Our project is entirely crowdfunded. I've been working on it for 2 years now. We want to get more stories like this from all around the world. Please donate at donate.healinghumanity.movie. Every penny goes towards the documentary. I've been working on this for 2 years now. I haven't taken a single paycheck, and I never will. Our goal is to reach millions of people who are hopeless in the world. We're doing a documentary, we're doing a series. If you want to support us, please donate or join our membership site so we can support you. $15 for your first month, special offer in the description below. Sign up for our newsletter, buy our merchandise, our Healing Humanity shirts, and all of those proceeds go 100% towards our documentary. Thank you so much. Now back to today's video.